Shit, what
It is what it is, and we're still here live in this motherfucker. You know what I mean?
This is the
They
first
know what I mean.
episode.
You
First of
guys
its
don't
kind.
know what I mean, but
Basically,
they know what I mean.
There won't be another of this kind.
Because it's the shortcoming, you know what I mean?
Johanna.
Short
When I
tongue.
leak, you got
You know what I
bars,
mean?
dog.
Bars for days, people say bath in the bath, dog. Bathtub for bars.
And anything anybody didn't know to see. I think like the ways and just like podcasts were made for niggas, dog.
for niggas, because we have a lot to say.
Yeah, true. Like, don't get me wrong, from the females, feminists. I'm not a feminist, but
this shit you need.
it's saying that I'm not a feminist, but I'm still not a feminist.
You gotta make the shit you need. Special. We should see.
There are so many podcasts.
And imagine what's gonna separate us from the masses so that now you see the masses.
The masses.
Our own field down. We see easy down.
We need to be natural, dog. Talk about the shit that's happening like us.
Because these niggas, these niggas are recapping, you know, on what's happening out there. There's certain podcasts out there that now by push, but they are not getting the recognition they deserve.
Yeah.
And they might.
And I think it's more kulumi people don't acknowledge.
Niggas don't fuck with
People don't. Many people are two-faced. Also, coach. Bear, bro, we smoking Caesar Blues, bro.
Caesar Blue.
And so, that very same nigga who say Ruben coach, Mama Nachi, Caesar Blue guy.
Caesar Blue
Yeah,
guy.
because you gotta be one with the struggle.
He knows. He knows.
I don't even know where we arrived.
He knows.
He knows.
He knows.
Don't fuck the car in.
You cannot park the car there.
Not the car, not the car, but the coin, dog. You cannot park the coin there, dog. You cannot park the coin there. So stick on your budget.
Yeah,
One
exactly.
gram Caesar Blue, you good.
Exactly.
You good.
What's up with this bullshit?
Okay, let me not say this, let me keep quiet now. I wanted to say
Yeah,
something
but
about this.
I think last week or the week before, you were talking about meditation.
Yeah.
A lot of people, a lot of us, I'm not cheating, we really seek maybe validation to Abantu. And they move that person is really irrelevant.
Okay, me now, from my perspective, I think it comes from not getting it from anything. Me, I believe, if you don't get something anything, you're gonna be out there looking for it, extracting it.
Hunting.
And the magic we have seen our video is black families come out.
Damn,
You never see our mothers holding hands, no balapa, they were giving that good morning kiss, nanani. That's what. So even that must figure out my hands, dog. We do what we think is right in that. It's from the because we never grew up like that. But saying breakfast is ready, mom is kissing the rape. That's that Hollywood shit they said Sunday.
When I move,
reality.
I'm you keeping going.
Yeah, it's a nigga.
I'm just
And the nigga woke up at 4. Abanye basalele uchithi unga 4 ntanga lapho.
Skat some bedtime in what breakfast in bed.
Azikho. So into bangayitholi intangedlini, you definitely gonna look for it in
outside, yeah.
And even when it comes to these women,
Vana. We were talking about some women like 6 shouts. Wow. And so because lento le ayifuna yibo ayikho. And so when umfundisi KFC not ukuthi manje iKFC akayazi.
Besides the KFC, abanye dakhe makibo ntanga like the ones what
the conditions.
Yeah, the conditions in town, we should say awekho crane, the living conditions awekho crane. So njoba la kuwe dog, it's like a sanctuary ntwana. It's a heaven ntanga like akafuna ukuhamba kahle kubeka ngaye vele.
Is it wrong?
Hey,
no, I don't blame her.
I'm gonna
It's
wrong.
It's wrong, man.
You know what's wrong? The child is not wrong. The parents are the ones. Yabona might be that disrespectful kid. People don't give a fuck about you. But and then you come to the household, dog, the brother's probably popping crack. I'm sorry. Only to shape brown, but you shine for one, young toy. It's like generational trauma keeping up.
So okay, ungamkhipha wena.
Ngamkhipha tanga.
Ungamfixa kanye kanye.
You will.
Don't
As a
say,
gent.
She don't want to be saved.
Don't say that. She don't want to be saved, dog.
Bang, down. You can't save everyone.
You can't save
You can't
everybody.
save everyone, dog.
Like, that's why the superheroes die.
Me. About me.
I wanna be
It's not about saving time. Okay, I wouldn't say I've been in such a situation, but not something similar that I've experienced, dog. Ngazama, dog. And it backfired. Ngazisona. Then I learned to say, hey, mfana. Umuntu ufuna ukusave, dog. Uyabonisa ukuthi
Yeah.
please save me. But otherwise, ntanga this hand out here, ntanga. Melumiyele ntanga. Melumiyele too. So man, this is what it is, dog. Man, hey, it's hard.
It goes further, Don. It goes
Mama
further.
told endlini ntanga.
I told you,
We never grew up until hearing our parents with the young time.
yeah. It's only that mileage, Magui anniversary.
Like, congratulations, Nana.
We made it this far, baby. You know.
Oh.
But see, back to Monday, everything was the same. And so the camera just fell, but everything's still the same.
Still the same.
Still the same.
Take two.
Yeah, well, this is take 2 now. So yeah.
Down, pause that shit, dog. Pause it. Pause it, man. Yeah,
Correct.
pause it. I want to go to the toilet.
Yeah, take 2.
Funa ukukaga nomuntu. Yukaga lapho. Kumele sithi record yenza. Yukaga mara.
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung